Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Aqib Shizad. So today we will discuss about internship in Japan, that is also a fully funded program. Summer internship in Japan 2022. So let's have a look on here. The application are invited to apply for the summer internship in Japan 2022. The very famous and prestigious summer internship are opened by the University of Tokyo and NIC. Both institutes offer fully funded summer internship for undergraduate and graduate students. There is no application fee as well as no IELTS required, no passport required at this stage. So this is a plus point. You have to don't show your IELTS result, and you have to don't show your passport, and also no application fee required for this internship program. Participants from all around the world can apply for this internship program. Okay, the NIG summer internship will run from June 16 to July 27, 2022, whereas the University of Tokyo internship will run from June 6 to July 16, 2022. These internships are different from each other. You can apply to both internships. This is a paid internship in Japan. So you can apply for these two universities for internship program that will be held in 2022. The undergraduate students as well as postgraduate students are highly encouraged to apply for this internship program. All the expenses related to the program will be covered by the program, means that by Japan government or Japan government universities. You don't have to pay for anything. Enjoy your summer internship program in Japan. The internship in Japan for international students is a great opportunity, and an internship in Japan will be an investment. An internship in Japan will be an investment in the future. That is, the country is Japan, and you also know that Tokyo is the capital of Japan. And audience are undergraduates and master students. Financial coverage is fully funded. The deadline is 7 January 2022 for both universities. Financial coverage: they will cover your round airfare ticket and local transportation fares between the airport in Japan and Nigi, from accommodation, travel insurance, and allowance for meals. They will provide it from that desired university. Either you are applying in University of Tokyo or University of Nick. Internship fields are given below: biology, chemistry, environmental studies, information technology, international studies, material sciences, advanced energy, ocean science, physics and sustainability science studies, genetic and related fields in life sciences. Required documents: a letter of motivation, such advertisement, a letter of motivation, a curriculum vitae, scan academic transcript, two recommendation letter of your teachers. Eligibility criteria for NIG internship. The NIC internship is an international internship, and students of any nationality are eligible to apply for this internship program. Both either you are an undergraduate or postgraduate students, you can apply. Application are eligible who are for the third year of a fourth year bachelor program, and those who are in the second year of a third year bachelor program, and those who are in fourth year of a fifth year program, and those who are first year of a second year master program, are in fifth year of a 6 year program. They can apply for this internship program. Eligibility criteria for U Tokyo internship. U Tokyo means University of Tokyo. Participant must be in the undergraduate program at an overseas college or university, and they will not have completed their BA BSc degree. So you have to enroll in your university while applying for this internship program. Participants who are considering matriculating to graduate level study at a graduate school of frontier science or the graduate school at a University of Tokyo or elsewhere in Japan. Participants are required and participate in all activities including classes, laboratory work, and special events organized by UTSIP. The deadline, the most important thing is deadline 7th January. So you have to put a reminder for this internship program so you can apply for this internship as soon as possible. So this is the page. So you have to scroll down and you have to click on how to apply. application guideline. Okay, these are the things I have viewed for you. Letter of motivation, a curriculum vitae, scan academic get to recommendation letter. So you have to click on registration for Negatron application. So these are some other information. Result will be announced at the early March 2022. So you have to click on online registration, total user registration. So this is the simple application profile that you have to fill all the information. First of all, your name, first name Muhammad, middle name Akib, and last name is Shahzad, and your gender male, and your nationality. So and other information, your date of birth, and your this is and studying you can click from here. After that, name of your school, your university, you can click on here, location of your school, and department of genetic, in which department you are belonging, your email address, confirm email address, present address, your phone number. And to set priorities, choose the first, second, third choices of your field of interest or preferred host laboratories. Please. And to set priorities, choose the first, second, third of your field of interest or preferred host laboratories. Please have the second or third choice blank if not needed. Okay, you have three choices to choose your host lab. So these are the lab's name. You can select these. Okay, first choice, second choice, or third choice. So after putting this information, you have to be put your recommender here. Your recommender name, your recommended title, position in the university, and your department name, and recommended department name and college or university, email address, and confirm email address. So you have to put two recommender, same as recommender name, his or her position, department, university, and email and confirm email. So after putting all the information, some question are written here. Have you previously heard about the National Institute of Genetics? So if you know, simply no, I knew nothing about NIG, University National Institute of Genetics. So how do you obtain the information of this program? By website, from friends, parents, posters, or others. You can put where you get information. Others. So if you choose website, friend, professor, others in the previous question, please write down the detail, site name. So you have to write down details here where you heard about this internship program. Security question, you can put it here and answer, and by checking this box you acknowledge that you have understood and agreed to the condition and requirement for the Nectarian program and that you follow the rules. Okay, so putting all these information, this is I think a simply form. After that you have to submit it from here. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Hope so you enjoy this video because many students complain that they don't know how to apply for internship program. So pray for me. So next, see you in the next video. Thank you so much.